Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the cool air fill your lungs. As you exhale, let go of any stress or tension in your body. Allow yourself to fully relax and be present in this moment. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine yourself in the beautiful country of Costa Rica. The sun is shining and the air is warm and tropical. You can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the soft breeze on your face. Now, focus on your senses. Take in the vibrant colors of the lush green foliage, the bright blue sky, and the golden sand on the beaches. Notice the diverse array of plants and animals that call Costa Rica home. The beautiful, brightly colored birds and the playful monkeys swinging from tree to tree. Admire the majesty of the Arenal volcano standing tall among the soft shades of jungle landscape. As you continue to explore your surroundings, what do you hear? The soothing sound of the waves crashing against the shore, the chatter of the tropical birds, and the rustling of the leaves in the trees. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of nature and the peace it brings. Now, bring your attention to your sense of smell. Take in the fragrant aroma of the tropical flowers, the salty scent of the ocean, and the earthy smell of the rainforest. Nature is life in this beautiful country. These scents transport you to a place of peace and tranquility. As you continue to take in your surroundings through your senses, what do you taste? Imagine sipping on refreshing coconut water straight from a freshly cracked coconut. Now try savoring a juicy tropical papaya plucked from a branch overhead. The fresh taste of ceviche with natural spices excites your taste buds. The flavors of Costa Rica are rich and diverse, inviting you to fully immerse yourself in the experience. Finally, focus on your sense of touch. Feel the soft, warm sand between your toes. The coolness of the water tingles your senses as you dip your toes in the expansive blue ocean. The rough texture of the bark on the trees connects you to the natural beauty surrounding you. The ground beneath your feet is soft and spongy, relaxing you at every step of your journey. Take in the sensation of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze on your face. As you continue to explore Costa Rica through your senses, allow yourself to fully immerse yourself in the experience. Feel the peace and tranquility that surrounds you. Know that you are present and fully alive in this moment. Take a few more deep breaths, allowing yourself to fully soak in the beauty of Costa Rica. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Remember to return to this peaceful place anytime you need to find relaxation and clarity.